Hello do-it-yourselfers, and welcome to my channel. I'm Florida Joe 3, and today I'm going to unbox this Huffy Rock Creek mountain bike purchased from Walmart for less than $100, and then I'm going to assemble it. So please follow along with me. Let's get to work. As I mentioned earlier, this is a Huffy Rock Creek, and I assume 56319 is the model number. It's a 26-inch ladies bike. This box comes with handles you can grab it by. That's how you can pick it up. I did notice that the box is torn up a little bit, and it looks like this is, hopefully this is just some kind of packaging here, because it's pretty scuffed up. I don't think that goes on the final product, but we'll see. This box also comes with copper staples in the top, so I recommend getting a pair of pliers and just pulling those out. I don't recommend just tearing the box open and leaving the staples in. I've been gored several times by wayward staples, so if you can just pull them out, then it won't bother you anymore. To press down really hard on some of these. They're in there pretty deep. And if you can't get them with your pliers, you can get a screwdriver under there and pry up also. I was able to get all these with the pliers. It's also glued shut. Don't want it to fall over like this. So, the glue and the paper. Alright, once you get it open, you'll see a disassembled bike in there. And there's a little hardware kit, a little box there. I assume has the hardware in it. We'll just set that out. And here's another kit of stuff. And it looks like the instructions are in here. I always look for the instructions first. I know it's probably not very manly. This is also the seat. But I like to follow the instructions at least a little bit, because sometimes there are things that you didn't think of or forgot from the last time you did a bike. So I'm going to set that out. Okay, the front wheel is separate from the bike, but it's tied with this tie strap right here. I don't know if, yeah, you can see that. So you can get some really heavy duty scissors or some wire snips. I'm going to use these nippers to cut the tie wrap. And once you cut that tie wrap, look for others. You shake it a little bit. There's another tie wrap down here in the box. Let me show it to you. See right here, you can see the tail of it at least. So you want to work your snippers in there somewhere. And on the outside of the tire, you can get to it. There we go. Get that tie wrap out of there. Now that we've got the two tie wraps off the front tire, it still doesn't want to come out. I think you have to pull out everything at once. So I'm going to grab the bike, just kind of push the box down off of it. Now what's holding me up is this here. This is stuck on the front tire. So actually, if I push the box out like that, so that it's not caught, the tire comes right out. All right, so this was catching because there was a hole in the box. So there's the front tire and wheel. And now get the bike out. And so this is the largest part of the bike assembly. And we'll just set that down right here. The handlebars are strapped to it. So that's basically the whole bike in pieces. I'm going to check in the box. It's empty except for packing, and it's always good to make sure there's nothing wrapped in these little pieces that were in the bottom. They're empty. And also this black plastic thing. I'm not sure what this is. This is probably some kind of packaging, but I'll just toss it out also and keep it. All right, let's get the box out of the way. And this completes our unboxing video. So I'm gonna sign off now, and then our next video will show how I assembled the bike. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like it, and if you want to see the next one, subscribe, and you be sure not to miss anything. Thanks for watching.